Hi, in this video, I will show you how to send review requests to our WooCommerce customers. To do that, first we have to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard. Then from plugin, simply click on add plugin and search for ProofWP and click on install now and activate this plugin. After activating this plugin, you can simply see here a menu like review reminder. Simply click on here and enable this option, and when first review request will send. For an example, after purchasing a product by customer, he or she forget to give a review. So after 1 day or 2 days, we want to send him an email that he can give us a review to our WooCommerce stores or product. And this option, after sending first review, if user or customer forget to give us review, then after how much days second follow-up email will get by customers. It can be 2 or 3 days, and how many send reminder user will get. 2 times, 3 times. There is also option. And we can change from email content. We can change also email subject and email content and also button text. After all the changes, simply click on save. And we have also option for follow-up request. You can also send follow-up request, email subject, or set follow-up request, email subject and email contents. And after all the changes, simply click on save button. So this is how we can do with our WooCommerce stores with ProofWP to send users a reminder request to give us a review.